was standing outside and she's looking off in the door and she went, ah! Ah! Like a dinosaur or something. I don't know what happened. In today's episode of Homestead How, we move away from the homestead into a log cabin mansion, and we have a bunch of fun along the way. Stay tuned.
You let go.
Oh,
This one doesn't count. It doesn't count.
It's going for the 10.
It doesn't count.
Carrie here from Homestead How. Welcome to our homestead, our new homestead. Before we talk about why we're in this new homestead, let me show you around and give you a quick tour. We're in a huge log cabin on a lake in north central Wisconsin. This place is amazing. There's 6 bedrooms. I think it'll hold like 24 people. Most of the bedrooms have bunk beds in them as well. 3 bathrooms. Really a cool, large space. If you guys follow our channel, you'll know that we purchased an RV before the pandemic hit, and we fixed it all up, and we were gonna go on a huge road trip. I want to fall over walking like this. Get the little fire in the background, Jen? We were gonna go on a huge road trip, cross country. We were gonna go to the Grand Canyon. We were gonna go all over the country, and then what happened, Jen?
The pandemic came.
Everything got worse, the pandemic's spreading, and there's lots of travel restrictions. So we decided to stay closer to home, and instead of taking our camper across country, we're taking all that money we would have spent on gas, and we got a nice Airbnb. This place is amazing. It's like a mansion. Nicest place we've ever been in. Every couple of years we go on vacation, but Jen hasn't been on vacation in years. It's really hard with the homestead and the dogs and the animals. When we do go on vacation, a lot of times we'll get a really nice rental car. We've done that in the past and people are like, ooh, fancy car. Well, we drive junkers. If you see our minivan, I'll show you here real quick. Minivan. It's got 200,000 miles on it. And we've never owned a new car. So when we rent a new car, we'll get something really fancy, really nice, something a little over the top. We'll treat ourselves because let's just see what it'll be like to have a nice vehicle for a couple of days.
Yes, but guys, that was the time that he took the girls on vacation when me and Katie stayed home. So we didn't get to rent a nice car.
I stayed home too. It was Lily and Emma that got the Jeep.
So anyways, similar to the rental car, we figured let's get a really nice house because like our little junky minivan, our house was a big fixer-upper. Don't get me wrong, it's a really nice house now that we fixed it up, but it's nothing like this thing. This is like a log cabin mansion. There's a beautiful lake out here. This isn't our normal homesteading video. So if you're new to our channel and this is the first video you're watching, go watch another video. We have a ton of homesteading videos. This is more of like a vlog style. Come on a little vacation with us, have some laughs and have some fun. Also, if you guys are new to our channel, you probably don't know that we're some degenerate gamblers. It runs in my family. My grandma used to come back from Vegas with a sling on her arm from pulling the slot machines. So we do like to gamble a lot, and the girls have their allowance money they've been saving up. So we're gonna play a fun little game, and this table looks perfect because there's actually some plastic on it.
You could show them a little clip of what we're talking
Oh no,
about.
they're gonna figure it out. Okay, fold it.
10, 11,
I don't know if that was showed up on camera.
16, 17, 18, 19,
Here's our situation here.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
$30, I'll put another dollar under there. So there's 6 of us, we all have to put $5 in. So right here is the big one, the 10. Dollar, fiver, dollar, fiver, dollar, 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 dollar. I saw this on the internet, Jen. It's gonna be fun, right? We can't just do anything without being degenerate gamblers.
I know, that's your family every time.
Runs in my family.
Mine doesn't have.
They all love playing poker now because of me too. They just want to play poker, but we're gonna do this first.
What if you land on both of these somehow?
Then you get them both.
$1. Oh.
Does that
Nope.
count, or does it have to be on it?
I don't know what you were going for.
What were you going for?
Hard. Oh, you were on the 5, but you weren't on the 6. All right, so after playing this for 4 hours now, we've just modified the rules. It has to, if the can is touching at least the head of the president, then it still counts. The whole can doesn't have to be on, but it has to be touching at least the head of the president. Then they win. My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn.
I love how you guys change the rules for it when it's your guys' turn.
Yeah, switch it back on. Switch the rules back.
Yeah, no, the rules are still
Where's the
good for
other
you.
5? In the middle? I'm going for the 5 in the middle. So you had parallel with this right?
Go!
That's the trick.
No, you let go. You let go.
Oh, it's going for the 10. It's
It
going for the
doesn't
10.
count.
It's going for the 10.
It doesn't count. It doesn't count.
That doesn't count.
Oh, that was on there too.
It does not count because you pre-let it go.
Oh, that's gonna be good. Oh, that's gonna be good. Yay!
Good job, Katie.
Katie, just
Yay.
Katie for the win.
And I was aiming for the 1.
Oh yeah, you get all of them. That's right. Now we can eat lunch. Let's eat. Everyone eat. So this hot tub has been a ton of fun. Katie and Emma have been in it for hours. Let's check in on them real quick. They should be all right. So what is it, Jen? Day 2? Mm-hmm. Day 2? Am I visible?
You look like a demon.
I look like a demon?
Yeah, go by the
Wait,
TV.
TV light. How about that?
Just put your head down by the fire.
All right, so it's day 2 at our Airbnb log cabin mansion, and we're having a really good time. And now the girls are playing hide and go seek in the dark, which is pretty fun to do in this big, gigantic house with. How many rooms are in this thing? Like 8 rooms. There's the downstairs, upstairs, 3 levels.
And we can go downstairs.
Lots and lots of hiding spaces.
Katie,
So
I heard that.
we're doing this round with the flashlight, and I'm gonna follow Katie around.
Hey, Dad, here we come. Well, you yelled at me first.
You could have had camouflage. Oh my god, the neighbors are probably like, what's going on? Flashlights.
She's right up there.
Are you planking, bro? Are you planking?
I was really Emma to run.
That was brilliant. I never saw you. I walked right past you. I never saw you there.
No, look, I was way deeper in, but I was trying to get out to run up the steps.
What are we doing? Day 3 of vacation. Everyone's making fun of Alyssa. Can we do the flashback to the video where you said I had a stupid hair on my head?
Well,
My
obviously.
hair's all messed up. Why am I in the video?
Because you said hold it. Hold it.
Is my hair all messed up?
One little piece of hair sticking up, but that's
Does
fine.
it look really bad or is it alright?
It looks okay. It looks like an idiot.
Is this stupid hair up now? Is it a stupid hair now? Yeah. Alyssa, I made Alyssa get up at 6 o'clock in the morning to cook Thanksgiving dinner and she fell asleep while she was 6 o'clock in the morning. And what did you do?
I fell asleep and had a nightmare at the same time.
What did she do? Emma, what'd she do?
Show a clip of Dad's.
I gotta show a clip of it because Alyssa just kept brutally making fun of my hair, and then at 5 o'clock in the morning she was standing outside and she was looking off in an door and she went, "Ah! Ah!" Like a dinosaur or something. I don't know what happened. Ah! Okay, let's go.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our feet.
Did you find aluminum?
Who's winning?
I think it was
Katie, who's winning?
I don't know.
That's pretty close. Is he okay? Is it my turn?
Did you see my cards?
Ooh, I like it.
One.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
this stinking poker game for hours and we're sick of it. So we're gonna play one final hand for all the money and all the chips. We're gonna play 7 card, no peek.
You're not supposed to look at your card till the end.
Now you have to beat a 7. We played one game of no peek for all of this money. Emma went out first. She almost had a flush. She had a bunch of wins, and then Alyssa won with a measly pair of queens and 8s, and she has a pair of 5s, which doesn't count, but her queens and 8s beat my hand. I just had a pair of kings and nothing else. So she wins the pot, and we can stop playing poker for hours and hours and hours. What do you have to say to everybody?
Hallelujah.
Girls, what are we doing? It's the last day at our Airbnb.
We're watching Superman. Say it, Mom.
Jen, did you have a good vacation?
Yes, but I started it working and I'm ending it working.
Well, that's dumb. Put your computer away.
No.
Always be happy, Mom.
We're gonna watch Superman. Am I gonna get copyright strike for that?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yes, obviously.
Do you want to leave? So our stay at this awesome Airbnb is over. This is our last day. We're getting everything cleaned up. Following the departure rules, which they have nicely laid out, like we do at our Airbnb rental. This place was awesome. Hopefully we can come back someday.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.